I'm so excited my Shark hair system is here, and I'm not one to usually make YouTube videos, but when I was searching for information, there were only a few unboxings and a couple showing how people used it. So I thought I would do an unboxing so you could see it. It was super awesome because I ordered it directly from the Shark site on September 29th, and it got here yesterday. So it got here in 2 days. That's crazy. And it was $249.39, I believe. I had a 10% off coupon because I went directly to the Shark site and I signed up for the emails and the text message, and then they text message you a 10% off. That was a little bit more of a discount. Yeah, I'm super excited to unbox, so let's go. Okay, this is a big boy box for sure. Oh, I'm so excited. I feel like it's Christmas. Okay, here's my packing slip. Yep, $9.29 was the order. Shark FlexStyle hair drying system. Ooh, it came with some free stuff. Ooh, they threw in some alligator clips. I had to put on my old lady readers because I can't see. Come on, babies. Ooh, nice. I got 4 big complimentary alligator clips. And what's this? A non-slip mat. Ooh, la la. Oh, cool. Very nice. Super sturdy. Oh, I love when you get freebies. Makes it so fun. And here it is. Oh my gosh. Put this down. Isn't it lovely? My hair is gonna look just like theirs. Okay, so let's see what's inside this baby. Okay, opening up the box. What do we have here? Here is a warranty and safety instructions booklet and the styling guide. Get to know your parts, how to wrap the curlers, all that good stuff. Welcome to Shark Beauty. Quick tips. Let's see what's, ooh. Let me turn this around so you can see it better. So, oh my gosh, I actually got more pieces than I ordered because you could order 3 pieces. So I ordered the curling system, I ordered the drying attachment, and I ordered the round brush. I didn't order the flat brush, but they sent it to me anyway, which is amazing. Okay, let's see. Ooh. Okay, so there's the drying piece. This is one of the curling, the left side. This is then the right side curling piece. Okay, here is the unit itself. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so sleek and lovely. Okay, and there's the power button and the heat, the fan, the cola shot, and then here, here are the brushes. So this is the curling brush that I chose, and then this is the flat like paddle brush attachment for drying. Ooh, I'm so excited. So there's all of that. Here's this guy, a big, long, super sturdy cord, both of the curling attachments and Okay, so for drying, like, oh, okay. So obviously this snaps into here. And then this is what turns. So when you blow dry, you can use it like this. Oh my gosh, so awesome. So awesome. Feels so fancy and elegant. I can't wait to use it. Maybe I'll make another video and show you how I'm using it. That'd be fun. Maybe not for you. It'd be fun for me. Maybe 60s and overs will get a kick out of it. Awesome. So I'm super excited to start using this baby. And I'm really excited that I got all this extra stuff. So yeah. And the clippies too. Yay. So I'm going to post this video and I'm going to post the coupon code that I used, and maybe you can take advantage of it too. See you soon.